AdisInsight, a database for drug research and development, disease treatment and decision-making, based on scientifically sound data. In this video, you'll learn how to utilize the analysis feature within the AdisInsight database. To access the analysis feature, you need to first create a search. For this example, let's create a search by drug class for monoclonal antibodies. The drugs, trials and safety reports content sets include the analysis functionality. Click on the analysis link and select a parameter. You can see the drop-down list of different criteria you can choose from. For example, if you would like to see a rolled-up number of the biomarkers associated to your initial monoclonal antibodies search, the analysis link will provide these counts quickly. You are able to export this analysis into an Excel file as well. For the Drugs tab, you have the option of conducting a single or multiple parameter analysis. The multiple parameter option allows you to create an interactive matrix with the results. By selecting two parameters, in this instance, phase and organization, a chart returns with details of how many profiles an organization is developing for each phase. For example, when you click on the link for the organization 3S Bio for drugs in pre-registration, you are able to see the results for 3 compounds. This functionality provides you with a way to refine your search and quickly access results. To quickly remove the filters you applied using the analysis feature, you can click on the Show Query link to reset the filters and return to the search results your initial query yielded. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn how you can maximize your AdisInsight subscription.